If you can observe this problem, here there are 6 men and 3 women that should be seated around a round table, and it is also given that every man has one woman by its side. So firstly we will arrange the women. So we are having 3 women, so we will write it like this. So in order to do the arrangement of the women, we have to take 3 values, but it is a circular arrangement. We will write it as equal to 3 minus 1 factorial. Now since we have already arranged all the women, now we can arrange the men, which means we are having 6 places, that is this one and this one. So we are having total 6 places that we can see from here, which means that we are writing the arrangement of women that is equal to 2 factorial, and we are writing the arrangement of men that is equal to 6 factorial. So the correct answer that you will get, that is equal to 2 factorial multiply with 6 factorial.